Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. In this video we will see about activities management, multi-user dashboard and role-based activity control process in Odoo. So let's get started. So this is the application that you will download from the Odoo App Store and you will see the process of the same. Along with that you will have all the process that is mentioned over here along with the screenshot so that you will never get confused and you will get all your answers over here. Now we will see how the activity management configuration will work for the users. So first of all, we will do the users configuration. So for that, we will navigate to settings, go to users, and here are all the users which we have configured. So currently we have 3 users. So here is the first user that is configured and we will open it. So as we open the users here, as you can see, there is this activity management option. In this activity management option, you can see there are 3 things that are given in the drop down menu. First is the activity user, next is activity supervisor, and that is the admin. So you can assign any of the activities to your user which is created over here, that is 𝗪𝗓𝗗𝗘𝗢. So this particular user is given the admin of the user, that is activity user. Here there is a next user along with that. It is given a supervisor control, and for the mutual admin it is given as an admin. So all the 3 activities management users will have different types of roles and duties over here in your dashboard. So say suppose now I am logged in into this admin user right now. So I am into the mutual admin who is the admin right now. So now we will see how will activity dashboard of the admin will look like. So as we open the activity dashboard of an admin, as you can see it over here in the activity dashboard. First is the step of the configuration. So as you go to the settings in the configuration, there is 2 things that you need to select, that is activate model selection, which is when you want to turn on the multiple models and their values, and here you can add the multiple models from the dashboard. So here are a lot of models as you can see it over here. Currently I have added 3 models, that is contacts, purchase order and sales order. So I can do the activities assignment for these 3 particular models that are selected. Now I will save it and I will go to the activity dashboard. So currently I'm logged in into the admin and I will see all the details that is forwarded to me over here. Activities will have all of the my activities which are assigned to me. It will also have the supervisor activities because I am the admin, so I will also get to see the supervisor activities where they are assigned, and also they will see all the activities. Totally all the activities of the whole company will be visible to them. So activity management for the admin will have a configuration as well as all the types of activities included under the same. Here is the smart view of the activities which I'll show you further. First is the activity dashboard. So in the activity dashboard, he can see all the users which are created in their company. So currently, as I showed you, there were 3 users. I can check the activities of all the 3 users as I am the admin. So I will add the date. Currently, the month of the current date will be selected. You can change it. So say suppose I am changing it to 2025 January till today. So I have mark demo as my user and I am adding that mark demos activities is what I want to see. So there are no activities for the same. I will check the email. There is no email. I have checked all the models. Say suppose I'm adding all the supervisor over here. So there is one activity of all the supervisor that is seen over here of mark demo. For 𝗪𝗓𝗗𝗘𝗢 there are some 134 activities. Here is my shell admin, so I have all these activities. So that is how you can configure the users. You can configure the date from here. You can select the models as well if you want to search any of the activities for the particular model. Say suppose for the sales order or the purchase or the contact, you can simultaneously select them. You can add the supervisor and as also select the activity type. There are different types of activities as you can see in the drop down menu. You can select any of them as you require or you can select all. So that is how your activity dashboard will look like. As you click on this smart button, here all the activities that is under the list will be open and you can check the document as well. Now as we go back, there are planned activities. There is one planned activity for me. Then there is this completed activity for me, and then there are no cancellation for the activities. So that is how you can see on the dashboard. Now say suppose we are creating activity for the sales order. So for that I will show you one time how to create a sales order and create the activity for the same. So here I am adding a customer name. I will add some product and the quantities and I will confirm this particular product. and here is the activity tab, as we all know. So in the activities tab, I will add an activity for email the customer is the activity I have created. The due date for that particular email, say suppose, is for 16th. It is assigned to Joy Willis, and a note should be send a send invoice as the attachment along with the email to this customer. So this is how I have added a note over here, which will be scheduled. So I am scheduling this activity over here. So it is due in 4 days. So this activity will be seen in your activity management dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard. Here, as you go to the dashboard, you go to the all activities. We will search for this particular document over here. As you search for the document, you can see that the particular email activity is assigned to Joy Willis, and the summary is given as well. As you open that particular activity, here it is a planned activity because it is due in the future date, and so it is planned now. Say suppose you want to add any of the activity reminder, you can add the reminder like emails or pop-ups, anything as such, so that a reminder can be assigned directly from here. So reminder due date can be selected from here, which is 13. So let's apply that. Now next step is you can also add individual activity for the multiple user. This is the another feature of this particular video that I'm showing you. Say suppose I want to assign this particular activity for another user as well, for multiple user, I can do that. So while I select it, select for the multiple users, you can add the multiple users who will be assigned for this particular activity. So currently, as you can see, Joy Village is already assigned for this activity. Now I will add one more, that is mark demo, for this particular activity. And if I want to add any of the supervisor, I can add the supervisor as well. So I'm adding myself as a supervisor because I am logged in into the mission admin right now, and I will save it. So this is how you can plan your activities, or you can also schedule the reminder date. I have scheduled the same, and the activities will be seen something like this over here. Now two activities are created, one for the Joy Willis and one for the mark demo. So that is how your activities can be scheduled. You can also change your priorities from over here, and for this particular admin, the supervisor is selected. So that is how the activities are selected over here. Now here is the smart move, smart buttons, or say smart view, that is provided by Odoo itself. You can change or see the activities directly from here for any of the user and the sale order, etc. So you can use these things as well for quick responses. Now let's say we are currently into a mutual admin, that is into the admin, where you can see configuration and all the other things. Now we will go to another dashboard where you can see super admin for the supervisor. So say suppose we are logging into another user which is currently the supervisor, given the access of the supervisor. So for the supervisor, you will not get the configuration tab over here. So supervisor will never get the configuration tab. In supervisor, they will see the supervisor activities where they are made the supervisor, and they will see their own activities. So there are two things that a supervisor will be able to see, and it will have all the other things that are provided to them over here. So say suppose for the last sale order that we created, we have assigned it to mark demo, which is now visible over here. You can also check that activity is visible to them as well. Now say suppose as a supervisor they want to assign it to someone else, they can do it directly from this button. So that is how supervisor will be able to see the screen, and that is how the activity dashboard of supervisor will look. Here they can check the activities, all the models, and here the users. So they will be they particularly this particular supervisor has only one user under it, that is mark demo, so they will see the activities of mark demo only. Or that is how your supervisor activity dashboard will look like. You can change the date range as I told you before. Now we will see the activity dashboard of a user. So whenever you log into a user, they will not see any other things other than the date, activity type, and the model, because he is the single user and he will not be able to see any of the supervisors or say admin things in the activity dashboard. So here in the activity, he will only see my activities, whatever is assigned to that particular user. Currently we are assigned as Joy Willis over here, so I will only see my activities over here. We have assigned one activities of the current document, that is sale order for email, which is assigned to this, and the supervisor is Michelle admin. So Michelle admin will see his own activities as well as Joy Willis activity because he's the supervisor. So that is how this activity dashboard will work. And in the activity dashboard, you can see all the other things that is given over here. So this is all about the video. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues. You can also check our activities management process over here that is given to you with very perfectly planned screenshots and everything. You can check the activities, and as I showed you that the sale order has been created as a multiple activities. Here all the activities will be seen in this particular sale order as well. You can mark as done, edit or cancel it directly from here as well. So this is all about the video. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for a store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can write back to us at sales@vraja technologies.com. Thank you.